Hey folks, AJ the CEO here, and guess what? We are done here at Union Branch Baptist Church. Let me take you on a tour of all the work we did here. Alright, I'm going to start this way now. We got 2 sets of new GTD audio mics. We have completely removed the old mixer, and we now have, that would have been bad if that fell. We have an X32, 16 channels that are plugged in right now. We have the 8 up here, and then we have the existing 8 that they had plugged in. Put a 12 panel, a 1U 12 port keystone jack that we have connections going into our PoE switch under here. We're only using 4 of them, but we have them all wired up already. Keeping the existing amps, didn't touch any of that. This is what was getting ready to fall. The back of this case, which is, I'd probably say it's not needed. But we got our cables. I need to shorten that SDI one so it lays flat, a bunch of extra. But we have an A10 Mini Extreme, 1 terabyte SSD for recording. We have 1 PTZ 20X, and we have the Facility, I don't know how you pronounce the thing, joystick. This is the one that I talked about and did a review for, and this is the exact same one. Go ahead and zoom in, which I do like the fact that it has this screen on here, but also on here. We have it pretty much, this is the only thing they have. I had my laptop here, so they may want to add one if they want to, so that's why we got this extra HDMI to plug in, and the white cable is a network connection for the laptop if anything was hooked up in here. And that's mainly it in this part. Let's get that chair over there. Like I said, we got the wireless mics up here. We got the belt packs here, so the pastor can choose receiver 1. Other wireless for the piano and organ. All the existing stuff is plugged in. I have a direct box that's going to be here today or tomorrow, so we can plug this in, and the existing mic that's plugged in is going to be converted over for the keyboard, and that is channel 15 right now. Let's take a walk here to the back. We have the Famaco 20X PTZ right there. And a good shot there for the sanctuary. Now there are no connections, no displays in here right now. Also, we ran our cable from the ceiling all the way to the back down here and going downstairs. And just like how Liberty Baptist Church started, they only have 1 display, which is mainly for down here in the fellowship hall. And there you go. Nice pretty picture. And even on my stuff, these are all the existing wires. Maybe I'll clean that up a little bit before I leave. But we got that done. SDI cable going in here. I tacked down the wire there to the corner and going all the way into the office. And inside of here, punch through, got it tacked all the way down, and we had a whole bunch of extra cable, so I just Velcro zip tied it up, and we're connecting to the router right there. So a very simple install. I do need to come back because I forgot the other piece of conduit to do the rest of the cables in the media room all the way behind the tower. I forgot about that, and then I got single blank plates instead of the double for that one. So it's sealed up. I just got to get a double plate. I will be back here to train the folks on all their new stuff, mainly their sound, and that's when I'm gonna be back to install the direct box for the keyboard. So that's about it. So thank you so much. Union Branch. I really appreciate the opportunity to be able to modernize your media ministry, get you up and running, and I'm excited about this was a phase 1. I'm waiting to hear back from a phase 2. I think a phase 2 was going to be putting a 75-inch screen up there on the back wall of the sanctuary, or you never know, it might be one hanging from the ceiling for the congregation, one in the back. But the good thing is we have set ourselves up to do that very easily. We got plenty of space in that new conduit that we can run. Not that I'm excited about going back up in the attic, but technically we can do that and it'll be really straightforward. So a link is down below to every single thing that we used in this install, and let me know. Leave comments down below if you have any other questions on this install, or if you are interested in me doing an on-site, a design, or coming out, or even doing the work. Check me out here at ajhomes.com/consultations. Me or Dee will get back in touch with you and we'll schedule some stuff out. So what's coming up next week? I will be in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. So I'm going to be excited about the first time going out there. We're going to be doing an on-site and helping the media ministry out there. So you know I'm going to bring you all along with me. So if you like this type of content, appreciate a like, consider subscribing, hit that bell. That way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. Thanks for watching, folks. This is AJ. We'll catch you on the next video. Later.